Hello students, welcome to your Maths Fun World. Kids, in the previous video, we had learned the concept of addition by counting and drawing lines. Today, we will do the recapitulation of subtraction. What is subtraction? Rupali went to fair and bought 8 balloons. She gave 2 balloons to her neighbor. Now, how many balloons did she have? Let's count and know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She had 6 balloons. ये जानने के लिए कि रूपाली के पास कितने बैलून्स हैं, हमने क्या किया? हमने 2 बैलून्स को कट करके लेफ्ट बैलून्स को काउंट किया. So kids, जब भी लार्जर नंबर या नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स में से स्मॉलर नंबर या फिर नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स डिडक्ट करते हैं, इट मीन्स वी आर डूइंग सबट्रैक्शन. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज राजू वेंट टू हिज ग्रैनीज हाउस. हिज ग्रैनी ब्रॉट 5 sweets for him. Raju took 1 sweet. How many sweets are left now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sweets are left. यहाँ हमने नंबर ऑफ लेफ्ट स्वीट्स जानने के लिए लार्जर नंबर ऑफ स्वीट्स में से स्मॉलर नंबर ऑफ स्वीट्स को डिडक्ट किया और डिडक्ट करने के बाद नंबर ऑफ लेफ्ट स्वीट्स को काउंट किया. इट मींस वी आर डूइंग सबट्रैक्शन बाय काउंटिंग. लेट्स रिप्रेजेंट थ्रू नंबर्स. हाउ मेनी स्वीट्स आर देयर इन ऑल? 5. So write down 5. How many sweets did Raju eat? Yes, 1. So write down 1. Now put the symbol of subtraction minus between these two numbers and subtract. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Means 1 taken away from 5 gives 4. Or we can say 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next, there are 6 buckets. 3 buckets are filled with water. How many are empty? इसका subtraction हम vertically करेंगे, stepwise. और जब हम subtractions line draw करके vertically करते हैं, it means we are doing subtraction by drawing lines. Let's subtract. Step 1 is arrange the numbers vertically. 6, 3. Remember, in subtraction, the larger number is always placed on the top. अब यहाँ पर larger number कौन सा है? 6 या 3? 6 है ना? इसीलिए 6 को top पे रखा हुआ है. And which is the smaller number? 3. इसलिए उसे bottom पे रखा. The number on the top is called minuend, and the number at the bottom is called subtrahend. Step 2. Put the sign of subtraction at the left side of minuend. Draw 6 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 4. Cut the last 3 lines and count the number of lines left. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are left. So we say 3 taken away from 6 gives 3, or 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. I hope kids, now you may have understood the concept of subtraction by drawing lines and subtraction by counting. Now it's your practice time. The question is count and subtract. यहाँ पे आपको count करना है और subtract करना है. So that's it for today kids. We'll meet again with another revision in next video.